Woodstock 7th graders. You are 2/3 of the way through, and we are so proud of you for showing up and showing out your academic knowledge. Tomorrow is the final day of 7th grade TCAP, and I want to share a few more words of instruction and encouragement with you. Although I am not your math or social studies teacher, I have put together a study guide here to help you. And as you know, 2 + 2 equals, wait a minute, that's not right. Who came behind me and did this? Martin Luther. Yeah, that's not right either. I tell you what, email me the correct answers for these two, and I will drop your lowest classwork grade and change it to a 100. See, there's some benefit from watching the videos. Seriously, do that. Stay tuned. I'm going to share just a few words of instruction and encouragement about these two tests, and then we'll see you tomorrow.
It's very important that you be well rested when you come for the TCAP. So make sure you go to bed tonight by 8 p.m. Don't forget to eat breakfast tomorrow morning. If you don't have it at home, we do have it at school. But whatever you do, don't begin testing on an empty stomach, and don't begin testing with a stomach full of candy. And remember, never leave anything blank on the TCAP. If you guess, you might get it right. Here's what you can expect tomorrow on the math TCAP. 15 to 20% of the questions will be about number relationships and the number system. 31 to 36% of the questions will be about expressions and equations. 13 to 16% of the questions will be about proportional reasoning, which is ratios and proportional relationships. Finally, 27 to 32% of the questions will be about geometry, statistics, probability, and data. The math portion of the TCAP is divided into 3 subparts. The first subpart lasts 40 minutes, contains 18 to 24 items, and does not allow the use of a calculator. Subpart 2 lasts 35 minutes, contains 12 to 17 questions, and does allow for the use of a calculator. Finally, subpart 3 lasts for 50 minutes, contains 14 to 23 questions, and does allow for the use of a calculator. These are the topics covered on the social studies TCAP. 15 to 20% of the questions are related to East Asia and the Byzantine Empire from 400 to the 1500s. 18 to 23% of the questions are related to Southwest Asia and North Africa and West Africa from the 400s to the 1500s. 18 to 23% of the questions are related to the Middle Ages in Western Europe from the 400s to the 1500s. 18 to 23% of the questions are related to early modern Europe from the 1400s to the 1700s. Finally, 13 to 18% of the questions are related to indigenous civilizations of the Americas and the age of exploration from the 400s to the 1700s. The social studies TCAP consists of 2 subparts. The first subpart lasts 50 minutes and contains 25 to 28 multiple choice or multiple select items. You have already taken subpart 1. Tomorrow, you will take subpart 2 of the social studies TCAP. It will last for 50 minutes and again contain 25 to 28 multiple choice or multiple select items. Please remember this rule of thumb when taking the TCAP. It doesn't just apply to ELA, it applies to all sections. Paraphrase everything that you read on the TCAP. Many of the questions are worded in a very confusing manner. Don't let that trip you up. Think about the question, think about the answer options, put all of those statements into your own words. Ask yourself, what does this say in plain English? Then attempt to answer the question.
So be in bed by 8 p.m. tonight. Eat something for breakfast in the morning. Don't leave anything blank on the test, and we'll finish strong tomorrow.
Victory is mine. Victory